Why are YouTube Shorts the easiest way to grow your YouTube channel in 2022? And why are YouTube Shorts such a big deal right now? Well, my name is Karin Angelly from KarinAngelly.com. I teach and train entrepreneurs how to attract leads and sales 100% on autopilot with video. And today I want to talk about YouTube Shorts and what it can do for your YouTube channel. So listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and training on how to build your business. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button because I want to help you in any way possible really explode your business this year. And listen, friend, if you want to learn how you can actually maximize this year and actually start attracting those leads and sales to you with video, then stick around with me till the end because I want to share with you how you can do exactly that. All right, YouTube Shorts. Like, this is seriously one of my favorite things right now because everybody is so focused on TikTok, and I feel like it's just people are missing out on the boat when it comes to YouTube Shorts. If you're just focused on TikTok right now, you're missing a huge chunk of property that YouTube is literally giving away to us creators, okay? You've got to get on the boat with this. All right, another reason that YouTube Shorts are literally the easiest way to grow your YouTube channel right now is it's literally the wild, wild west. Like I said, if a platform is pushing something or they just started something new, no matter what platform you're on, whether you're on Instagram, whether you're on Facebook, whether you're on TikTok or YouTube, if a platform is testing something new, that's the wild, wild west. And that means you got to get your face on that new thing that that platform is testing. The reason for that is because it's like anything goes at this point. The platform is trying to figure out what works on that platform. And so more likely than not, your content is going to get pushed to more people. So I hope I convinced you that YouTube Shorts are the way to go. Just start testing them, figure out what works, what doesn't work, what you like, what you don't like. Now is the time because YouTube is pushing them. So listen, friend, at the beginning of this video, I told you to stick around with me till the end because I wanted to share with you how you can start attracting leads and sales straight into your business on autopilot. If you take a look at the link in the description, I actually left for you a totally free training where you can actually learn how to start attracting those leads and sales with video completely on autopilot. I'm literally getting people signing up for my freebies, checking out my courses, checking out my products, and actually buying from me without having a conversation with me. That's power and that's leverage. So if you're curious about how you can do that for your own business, take a look at the link in the description because I want to help you grow your business. Now go build your unicorn empire.